Hey, hello guys, welcome back. It's me Santosh here. So this will be not the continuation of the last video. Last video we stopped where we're designing the website. We actually designed a very good website, right? I will be sharing those files along with the video, right? And the description you will have those files attached. You can just download it, put that in the VS Code. That's it, done. You just execute it. It should work perfectly fine. So now what shall we do? What would be the today's topic is, well, let's do this. When we can switch to ask, when we can switch to agent, right? So ask, as I said, right, it's just like a chat GPT. I will switch to ask. I'll create a new session. Let's keep it here. This files over here is about the website files. Let it be here. That's fine. Let's type hi. This is ask mode. Ask is something you're at in the planning phase. You are not sure what you want to do, how you would like to design. If you just in the ask phase, you will be asking the suggestions. It will give you the suggestions. Once you're good, right, with the proper design, or if you want to implement, then we can go for agent. Agent is nothing but it will do everything for you. It's a wrapped up model. Like how if we use ask, right, it works like a chat GPT. It'll give you an instant response. Agent is something like wrapped up, all the models are wrapped up. Like for an example, let's take Claude Sonnet 4.5. It's wrapped up into the model and it will work for you like an agent. So let's do one thing. Um, let's write a program. Okay, explain me advanced Python programming and list down what all I should be aware of. So now it will give you the list of all the core advanced concepts. Okay. So once it will list down, so you just ask, you run ask mode. It will list down all the advanced concepts which you would like to learn. So decorators, generators, iterators, context managers. If you want to go in depth of learning about that, you need to specify it, right? Let's let's try with an example. So let's see how the example will look like. So it's giving you, see, right, it gives you the output over here in a box. It's not creating a file like how agent does, because you're in ask mode. Now if you want this to be in the workspace inside a file, then you will be switching to agent. First thing, you will review this first. If you're okay, then you can switch back to agent. If you switch it, if you would have done this now with agent, right, it would have not given you this output. It would have already created a file. Let me explain you where exactly you will get into trouble, right? In a real world scenario. Let me give you a real world scenario. You are you are one of an employee in any companies, like let's take HP, Accenture, and so on, and you guys are full stack developers and you guys are developing an app. So there are a team members of totally some 15 people. All are developing parts of the app, right? Each one will be given, each member will be given a module. So for you, they would have given you a sign in button module. You would have, let's assume that this is the code for that. Okay. And you have all of your team members' files on the left side. And for example, let's assume that you're in the agent mode and without reviewing, you would have typed just give me the sign in button code so that I can use it for my program. You would have created the file in the workspace where all your team members files are already there. That's where the problem is. Anyways, Versioning control system will come into the picture where you will be using Git, right, to push the code to the main branch. Let me explain to you Git in a totally different video. I'll keep just one video just for the Git. Git, I just know the basics. I will just push the code, pick the code, merge the code. I will explain what we require, not the end to end of how the Git is used. Okay. So now, so that's the reason we'll always put it in a ask mode. We'll review this once. Okay, this looks good. Then we can switch back to agent. So now agent, you'll ask, you'll ask, create this program. Okay, I'm fine with the example. Let's let's create a file on the same in my workspace. Or if you would like to, this is just, on the fly, I'm just putting the prompts. But there are things people, right? They do research just for the prompts. Go to ChatGPT and just type, I would like to know all the prompts which is used by a developer while writing a code for modifying, creating, addition, subtraction, CRUD, create, read, update, delete. It will give you the prompts. You can copy paste the prompts. So you see, it created a file. It named it Python task manager.py. It's asking me to install something. Don't install any extensions. Everything is already been installed. Hit on the keep button. That's it. It just created the file. Guys, I hope it was very clear about the ask an agent. So my upcoming video, let's see. Let me brainstorm myself. Let me come up with a concept and let me start. Let me come up with some beautiful or interesting concept, and we'll do the next video. Meanwhile, stay connected. Please follow, subscribe, like, do comment, and you guys have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.